Hey guys, it's your girl B-Buzz. The first time it did not record. I'm very sorry about that. But we were playing the Oasis, so we are going to do that again. But this time, I'm gonna custom it. I'm gonna put it to 3 minutes and 14 strokes. And then I'm gonna go allow bounce out. I'm not going to do that. The ball size is going to be small. Free cam's gonna be like that. Allow jump. Yes. Okay. That's what we're gonna do right now. Next time I play golf with friends, comment down below what one should I do next. Right now I'm just gonna do the Oasis because I did not do it because I did it last time and something was kind of wrong. So I'm hoping that we can do this today. See? Now we get to bounce. Look at the ball. Doesn't it look like it's floating? Oh, and before I forget, leave a like on this video. Leave a like and subscribe. You gotta go to Choibles to see these because that's my dad's channel and that's what I'm on right now. So, if you hear scissor cuts, that's from me. You probably won't hear a lot. But are you ready? Oh! Looks like we bounced out. Half the entire bar. Oh, I'm ready for this. Achoo! This is what I like to do a lot. Yeah, if you want to see my sister made a video on this too, so you can actually see that. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, we always say this. If you don't like it, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you might hear talking, that might be my dad in the background because he's back here. My dad's in his room, so of course he's in his room. But so this is gonna be a little hard for me because this is not my first time playing, but it is kind of hard for me. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm ready. You guys ready? I'm not gonna go that hard. Okay. Remember, if you guys think I'm gonna run out of strokes when I hit 12, you are going to be wrong. because I never run out of strokes. Because usually I limit it up to 20. So, we get a par. If you want to see more, you gotta leave a like on this video so you never miss one. Because nobody wants to miss a video, do they? I don't think anybody wants to miss a video. Am I right? Am I right? If you guys were at my house right now, you would smell a lot of good smells. If you were living at my house, but you're not. So you can't smell my dad's vape scent. But if you have a vape, you can smell it. Well, that was weird. And kind of funny. I'm gonna take a shower after this. If you hear me eating something, that's my burrito. I have not eaten dinner yet. So don't blame me if I get hungry. Don't blame me if I get hungry. I'm gonna ask my dad to do something for me. I'm gonna ask my dad to go get me a plate for my burrito. He's just telling me to use the wrapper. I don't want to use the wrapper. Okay. Okay, that was cool. If you want me to play more, or if you want my dad to try this game, Golf with Friends, comment down below so we can know this. My dad's just picking up the screen right now. I got it. Sorry. I'm gonna mute you guys for a second. Okay guys, I'm back. I just had to talk to my dad for a sec. Like, I told him, why don't I have a plate? Why don't I get a plate? It's like, yeah, I want a plate. I don't want to use the wrapper. He's like, use the wrapper. He's like, I don't wanna. He's making me use the wrapper to eat my burrito. Whoa. I'm gonna let my burrito chill. Because my burrito is hot. No! Was that cool? If you guys liked that, if you haven't already did this, and if you just put the video on and skip to this part, leave a like, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Next time I'm gonna play this, I'm gonna say, hello my bee-buzz, hello my bee girl, hello my bee people. Or I'm gonna say buzzbees. Comment down below if I should say buzzbees or bee bugs. Remember, buzzbug or bee bugs. Oh, now you want to cooperate when I'm recording. Sheesh. When I was trying to film this video for you guys, it wasn't working well, so. If you like this video and you haven't seen it yet, give a like. No, not in the water. Ah, did I go too soon? This is an awesome day to do this. No sister bugging me. Nobody bugging me. Except for my dad. I'm just hungry. I just took a bite of my burrito. No. That's right, you better go back. And it killed me. This is the hardest part of this. This is the map I hate the most. This is my last stroke and I'm probably not going to make it. Now you want to cooperate on my last shot? So you guys, next time you play golf with friends, you guys get to pick my ball. Or like, there's a cylinder, a flat star, a hockey puck. It's like this ball with spikes. There's a bulb. There's an Christmas bulb. There's this Christmas bulb. And there's like the square. The square is the hardest to play as, but sometimes I like it when I'm playing a certain map, like the candy one. You gotta make it into his mouth. It's gonna get a little dark. You guys ready for this? You think I should go in the cave? You think I should go in there? Leave a comment. Should I play it? Leave a comment right now. Should my dad play this or me or my sister again? If you like these videos, comment down below. B-Buzz, do it again. Kiki, do it. Play another one. Or Bed Dad. Or you can write Bed Dad. You want to try? He doesn't really like to record golf with friends. He never wants to. If I'm not moving the ball, that means I'm eating my burrito. Ooh. So close to getting in a 3. I actually wanted to get in a 3, guys. Okay, this is probably not going to be my last hole. I'd like to hit that. I'd like to hit the fire. Boink. Whoa. That was a kickback. Well, that was weird. Okay, let's continue. No. Shout out to my girl, Unicorn Games Raya. That's my friend Mariah. Shout outs! Give a lot of shout outs to all my favorite YouTubers. My favorite YouTuber is actually Markiplier. When he plays Hello Neighbor, it's just so funny. He gets so angry all the time. I'm going back to that one. No way. Oh. Now we see where that is. Okay, you guys ready? Let's try and make this. Ooh. We made it in 12. Got 2 more to go. So close to a whole one. Last one, and then I'm gonna do my outro. So close to doing my outro, guys. Outros are harder than you guys think. It's not the exact same as the intro. It's a little harder, but I'll get the hang of it soon. Soon I will. Where am I going? Oh my gosh. That's all. You guys ready? If you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you already didn't, and leave a comment. See you next time, bees.